Welcome back, everyone. We got this electronic rat killer for the shop because we are tired of putting down mouse traps and having to throw them away when you're done with them. This, you're supposed to be able to catch the mouse or rat. It looks like it electrocutes them, and then you can just empty it out and wash this thing out. So it's made by x-pest. It's MK08S. Eliminate rodents by efficient way. Yeah. That's all the information. Comes out of China. It does take 4 C batteries that are not supplied with it, or it says a supply adapter, like a power adapter. I didn't see one in the box, so we put 4 batteries in it, but it has a little tray for food, suggested biscuits, bread, peanuts, and ham sausage. We have actual rodent attractor we're going to put on in here. We're not going to put actual food in there, but it's supposed to zap them. Take a look at the instructions real quick. So it's supposed to electrocute them. I don't know how humane that is or how quickly it works. I guess we'll find out. But that's the voltage there. The output voltage is 3,900, 4,000 volts plus or minus 10%. I don't know. That's a pretty big step up. But who knows? That's the instructions. Okay, so I am not going to touch that plate. It says it's 4,000 volts. I don't know how true that is, but battery compartment. 4 C batteries in there. That's the mouse hole. And if you see right there, it's a metal floor. So I'm assuming when the mouse goes in there, this thing right here pops down and it presses them down on there. But if they're small enough, they might get out. That's going to be interesting to see. More instructions on the side. And that's your power on indicator and all that stuff. And here's your bait tray. You got a little bait tray. We're gonna load this thing up and put it in the shop. Hopefully we can catch something and see what happens. We loaded up the x-pest trap with this Tomcat attractant. It has worked really well with us in the past. It has worked really well for us in the past. We'll put it up in the area, and hopefully we'll catch that mouse. This is the area we're going to put it in. As you can see, there has been some mouse activity up here. Okay, we got the x-pest trap set up here. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to pull the tab up. We're going to set it over here, and we're going to leave it and see what happens. Now the light should blink. There it is. Blinks red. So we'll update you on what happens.